Hello everyone, my name is Sophie and today is lesson 101. We have a new special sound right here. Can you see 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5? There are 5 special sounds. Let's read the first special sound. I and fly, Y, I. K and jump, C, K, K. E and me, E. O and go, O. This is the new special sound. A and Y. Okay? A and pray. A and pray. A. Now look what I have on my head. It's a crown. And what do I have right here? Yes, it's a magic wand. So we've got to learn very attentive. So we go get it. So, how many vowels do we have? Yes, we have 5 vowels. Name them. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. So, our vowels is A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And all the rest are consonants. Okay? Let's sing it. Oops, sorry. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All the rest are consonants. So let I get back my crown on. Now let's do it again. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All the rest are consonants. So there are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. A, and A, E, I, O, U. Let's sing it. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All the rest are consonants. Now, Peter Pointer, go give a drop. Hello. So, now you work hard, you can play with my magic wand. Say abracadabra. Yes. Abracadabra, boo. Thank you, and this lesson is over. Goodbye.